Grabe guys, sobrang excited ako ibalita sa inyo. May newest unit tayo at ito na yung pinakamurang single attached unit na may offer ko sa inyo if ang hanap mo nga malapit lang, going to Manila, accessible going to Naiya, Makati, BGC, less than an hour lang at malapit ka lang din sa future Central Business District here in Cavite such as Eva City, Maple Grove at River Park. At hindi lang yan ha, available to sa Pag-ibig Financing. So that's very new para sa isang project na located in a prime location, exclusive subdivision or township, tas available pa sa Pag-ibig at bank financing. Nga pala, very few slots lang ang available kaya naman kung interested ka, please keep on watching. Hi everyone, it's me again, Kiara Pepito Sabido, your trusted and PRC real estate salesperson. At for this project nga, ifa-flash ko dito yung magiging facade look niya. Napakaganda, napaka-modern. At not only that,